video will show you how to cut out an image in Illustrator. My goal is to cut this cupcake out and use a clipping mask to get rid of the background. Firstly, make sure you've placed the image you want to work with onto the artboard. Then select the pen tool. The shortcut for this is P. When I use the pen tool, I like being zoomed right into where I'm drawing, so I'll change the zoom to suit me. Then go ahead and draw around the image. This is assuming you already know how to use the pen tool. Okay, let's speed things up. Now I've drawn a shape around the cupcake. Check you're happy with your shape by swapping the stroke colour to be the fill colour. This gives you a good look at your shape because it's filled in. And by the way, it doesn't matter if you're using a fill or not. When you use the clipping mask, it'll work the same. Then click and drag to select both the background image and the shape you've just drawn. Then go to Effect, Clipping Mask, Make. I'll just show you again. And that's how easy it is. Now you can use your shape on its own for whatever you need. If you found this helpful, please rate, review and subscribe.